You want your life jacket?
Debating, do I need a life jacket?
Do you know how to swim?
I do.
All right, then I'm gonna bring a scale like that in case we catch a wampa. But what is going on, guys? So today we are keeping it simple. I got my buddy Dima with me, and we just want to go kayaking, and so that's what we're doing. These fish should be spawning. They should be on beds. So maybe we're gonna sight fish from a kayak, or maybe they won't be spawning yet. I don't know, but I would think they should be on beds by now. So I don't know. I haven't really fished much. I actually just took a trip out to Alabama for a surprise that's coming later this week, and yeah, I have a bunch of baits. What'd you do with the MTB Pro? Put it in there. I have my MTB Pro box. I loaded it up with a bunch of baits that they sent me over the couple of months, and yeah. So I'm not bringing the big camera with me. I'm just gonna take those baits, my kayak, and my GoPro, and we're gonna go film on the lake. So yeah, I don't really want to ruin the camera. My luck, I'll drop it in the lake or something. So we will see you guys like on the kayak here in a second. Da-da-dun, da-da-dun. Oh, it's like a, look at this incline, dude. Oh, come on, I'm running out of juice. Dun it, dun, dun, dun. We made it. We're here. We made it. Alrighty, baby, we made it out here. We got the kayaks. This water is so clear. Like, this is amazing. Like, it is like literally gin clear. So that's just like, it's hard to come by around here. Alrighty, so I think we're gonna start on this shoreline. I haven't decided yet if I'm gonna use this view right now, like on my chest, or, because I mean, you guys kind of just got on my legs, or if you guys want to see me like actually hooking up on a fish. I don't know. All I know is it's 90 out today, and if you guys are from the Midwest or you're from Ohio, you'll know it's like super humid here. Like 90 degrees feels like 10 million because the humidity. So yeah, that's kind of where I'm at. Okay guys, so we are out here at the pond. I found some shade, and I actually found some good lay down right here. So I have a wacky rig hooked up right now. So we're gonna start with a wacky rig. I have a MTB exclusive swim bait on here. We're gonna try that, and we're just gonna get right to it, guys. So I don't know, I'm pumped. It's a great day. It's Memorial Day, so I hope everybody's having a great Memorial Day. And so let's get to fishing. Hopefully we catch some launches today. Oh man. Yeah, I don't know, I'm just pumped. I'm just happy to be out here, man. Woo. I wouldn't say the swim bait's the most ideal thing to use right now, but in grass like this, bro, you gotta use a swim bait. See these trees right here, bro?
Yep.
All right, so we gotta lay down the trees over here, so we're gonna get rid of this bait. This like brush hog bait right here. This flipping bait. Ooh, yeah, look at that MTB bait right there. Just juice, good flipping bait. Try and get up in this nonsense. Oh, dude, did you see that? Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. Dude, you won't believe this. I literally, oh my gosh, dude. I caught it in a tree. I just caught a bass in a tree. Oh my gosh, hold on. I don't even know how to get the GoPro off right now. Oh no, it came off, didn't it? Yeah, it got off. I literally got stuck in the tree and got off. Oh my gosh. I wish you guys could have saw that. I'm gonna get out of here. I had the GoPro facing the opposite way, and of course I couldn't get to the fish in time, but I throw this flipping bait into all this brush right here. And it literally, this tree right here, I literally wrap around the tree, and the bass jumps out of the water and just grabs the bait out of the tree and was just hanging there. And I was like, oh my God, what do I do about that? Here's a fish. Oh, baby. Oh. First one of the day, boys, I'll take it. I gotta get out of this tree. The other thing too, every time you catch a fish, it just takes you right in with it. Alright, fish. He's digging deep. Come on, baby. Don't get stuck down in there. Oh, he's stuck. Come on, swim out. Swim out.
You gone?
No, I got it. Ready? There we go. Boom, baby. There we go. Not a bad fish. Third one of the day, so I'll take her. He got stuck down in the weeds down there. I thought I was gonna lose him. Sally, do a little dance. Boom, baby. I haven't cut my brother's hair. My brother likes when I cut his hair. It's weird.
Yeah.
I guess I don't do a bad job.
Free haircuts.
Yeah.
Me either. My mom used to cut my hair all the time. She got
That's a good fish. That's a good fish. Stay down, stay down, stay down. Stay down. It felt a lot bigger than it is. Holy cow. It scared me. Good best one of the day. Whew, we're talking about haircuts over here. About to call it a day. Oh yeah. There we go. 2.5 pounder. I'm like about to pulled me, took me for a ride. There we go, baby. I'll take that. I will take that. We gotta clear that water. Boom. Boom, baby. There's another fish. Oh, he spit it. Ooh, that was a good fish. Oh, man.
Ooh.
Alrighty, guys, so that that pretty much sums it up for the day. We got off the water, we got the kayaks loaded up, and hey, it was a fun day. I can't complain at all. I got into some pretty nice bass, nothing too crazy, but we just flipped some baits and I had some fun. I'm still super new to the whole kayak thing. I don't even have the nicest kayak, but I love getting out there. It gives you a whole different definition of being on the water. So yeah, that was really fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are new here, if you want to, you don't have to, but if you want to, hit that subscribe button below, and if you guys want to see some exclusive stuff, go over to Instagram. Other than that, shoot me a comment below if you guys like these videos, and thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you next time.